Thank you, Dylan. I would like to talk about the structure of health.gov. On health.gov, the icons are very large. That makes the structure of the website very inviting to all users. All the topics relate to each other in the topic of health. You do not find information that is not relevant to the user at that time. The flow that is easy to follow makes it easy to also navigate the site. The topics relate in an order in which anyone from any background can understand. As you slide your mouse across the storyboards, they light up to grasp the user's attention, which are also very large to see. And when you click on that storyboard, you are then taken to the next page that has relevant information based only on that topic that was selected by the user. The website does not use complicated wording, so it makes it very easy for all users of all educational backgrounds to understand. In healthcare, we always recommend that anything that is written for health is written with an 8th grade education understanding, due to the fact that there are many people in this country that is the level of education that they have, or even if they have higher education, that's the level of education that they understand. The sequence of the pages are easy to follow, and the flow is a flow of order of importance based on the topic that was selected. And the website's flow is easy to follow. The links that you navigate through are very appropriate for the topics of health. You do not see off-topic information, which I thought was very nice. I did not see a lot of cookies implicating that there was a lot of things they were trying to get you to buy, things that fed off of a health topic that was propaganda. I did not see anything like that. So there was no off-topic information, which is very nice because a lot of users on the web get very frustrated when they're trying to research a topic. They may not have the money to go see a doctor, so they're actually relying on this topic or this website for that topic to get the information they need to see if they really do need to go seek a health professional, or if it's something that they could educate themselves further right now. Maybe they're pre-diabetic and their doctor has spoken to them about diabetes and they didn't really quite understand everything the doctor said. This is a website that people would go to seek that information. So I thought that they did a very good job of laying out in a style that was able to be easy for any user to understand, and everything was actually relevant. I did not see anything that would make a user feel very frustrated like you do see on some websites. And the graphics on the health.gov are very simple and easy to navigate. The visuals are very large, which make it easy for people to see without glasses, because sometimes people are not using glasses when they're on a computer. Some people really can't afford their glasses. We want to make sure that the websites are inviting to them, and if they possibly can't see everything, they can possibly get somebody to help them who can help them navigate the rest of the way through, but they know exactly like kind of where they want to go, which is nice. So it's easy to recognize the functions of the different sections. An article on HubSpot.com states that a user should only use graphics that help a user complete the task or perform a specific function. So what they're saying on this website is that when you have a website where people are going to go to for information and you want to pull more people in, you don't want to cloud your website with a lot of busyness. You don't want to have big whistles and bright lights and things blinking to think that's going to invite people in. They know that people only want the information they're seeking, and that's all they want. And people will more likely come back to that website if that's what they're getting. If they constantly click on something and get an advertisement or get put to another page where you have to go to another page, users are more apt not to come back. So this website did a very good job of keeping things very simple, keeping the visuals very inviting to the patient, who was looking for information on there, or the person, I'm sorry, who was looking for information on there. You saw a picture of a heart. You knew you were going to something heart related, like cardiac. You saw the picture of a whole person. You knew you were going to like diabetes, stroke, that sort of information. You saw a picture of food, you knew you were going to nutrition. And we got to understand, since people with an eighth grade education or understanding of an eighth grade education are also navigating these sites, they rely heavily on pictures, and they do need simplistics. They need pictures that are going to take them exactly where they need to go. And I thought health.gov did a good job. I'll take it away to Alicia now for design. Thank you.